Hey everybody, what's up? It's Shane, the Rising Gripe Picker, and that's what I go by here on YouTube. And I am going to go into Burlington Coat Factory today and attempt to do some RA. I'm going to potentially buy some stuff for Amazon, maybe as well as eBay, and I'm going to kind of show you what that looks like shopping at discount stores. That's kind of what Burlington is a discount store. That's what I qualify it as. I really appreciate you all watching, and I really appreciate the support. I'm actually getting ready to go pick up some shelving for when we get the new store. So I'm gonna try to make it quick. So I literally just sold a pair of shorts from here for $60. I don't know if you can see that, but it's for $64. I'll just put it in here, $64.99. Bought them for 21 bucks, so I made a tidy little profit on those shorts. So literally I can't lose on these pants. These are Banana Republic pants. They sell very good. They're on clearance for $4.99. $4.99. Nothing's wrong with them. Yeah, this is going to be an eBay item actually, so I'm gonna pimp them out on eBay. I don't know. I'm probably at least going to get 25 bucks for them. New with tags, at least 25. So these Dickies chinos would have been awesome on Amazon, but they're only $12.99. But Amazon's in on them for 26 bucks. So I'm gonna have to pass, because if you run a calculator, which if you just tap this top one right here, it goes into a calculator, okay? And you can actually put in what you're gonna pay. Yeah, I would make money on those, but I would be competing against Amazon, and I really don't wanna do that. Okay, I'm just gonna grab these for eBay. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm gonna take a shot in the dark on these. These are cowboy cut Wranglers. They always sell very good. They're on clearance for $10.99. Now that sounds like a lot of money, okay? It does. But brand new, which these are new with tags, they sell actively for $58. I don't know why my GoPro is so it looks grainy. For 58 bucks. Now I don't think there's any solds. Let's look at the solds. Let's see if there's any solds. There's not, but that don't matter, because when I list these up, I'm gonna list them for 58. I paid $10.99. I will take an offer probably above 35 bucks on those, and I sell a lot of Wranglers. They move fairly quickly, especially the cowboy cut. I'm gonna be honest with you, I usually do not source clothing here for eBay, but they have a lot of clothing clearance due to seasonality, and probably they're just trying to make room on the shelves. And I'm getting some pretty good deals today here at the Burlington Coat Factory. The last time I was in here, I actually bought those shorts that I showed you in the first clip of the video, and I sold them. I bought 2 pairs and sold both of them on Amazon for $64.99, the Tommy Hilfiger shorts, because I am ungated in a lot of higher brand names in clothing. That was a good pickup. 40 bucks into almost 150 bucks. All right, you're never going to believe this. This is insane. Okay, I'm gonna sell these on Amazon. I just found them. They're clearanced out at $5.99. They sell for $55.92, and they are a rank of 25,000. Even though Amazon's on them, I'm gonna screenshot this and include it in the video. I'm still gonna sell them, because even if Amazon's in on them, I'm getting them so dang cheap. I can compete with Amazon on the listing. We'll do $6.50 with tax, and I'm making $35 just on one pair of shorts, not including the other 2 things in my cart. That's money, dude. And here's a pair of Levi's, brand new with tags, for $9.99. I'm gonna be honest with you, they're 66/34s. I'm not even gonna scan them. They're just gonna go right in the cart. I don't even care. I'm not even gonna scan them. Not even gonna scan them because I don't care. And look at this, some more Tommy for your mommy. $11.99. Let's scan these up. Oh my gosh. You're never gonna believe this. This is insane. So these are $11.99. They're 100,000 rank on Amazon, which is really, really good. And it's still top 1% in clothing, and they're selling for $83. Yeah, we gonna get those too, because we're getting all the deals today. I'm gonna go ahead and screenshot this for the video to put it in the video for you so you can see it. Man, we are making money today. So much money. I love it. Okay, so I know that this is definitely not right, but these are showing they sell for $123. They are a 65,000 rank. So what we're gonna do, since they're a $59 MSRP and they are only $19.99, we're gonna buy them. They're on clearance. We're gonna send them in for $54.99 and make probably a cool 30 or 25 bucks on the shorts. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do with those. They're at 123, but I just don't think anybody's gonna pay 123 bucks for those shorts. I think that a third-party seller, it's showing that they got on the listing. They probably just jacked the price up, and that happens a lot. Ooh, here's another pair of these. Wow, look at this. So I don't know. These are $24.99. They're full price, but these might be really good. They're $79 MSRP. And I like to go off that when I'm looking at clothing to sell on Amazon. So, oh, they're 49 bucks. So, let's do the math on this real quick. They want $24.99 for them. Amazon's in on them. So that's not great. The rank is really high, 167,000. Typically, if, yeah, see, so these will only be a $11 profit. We're just gonna go ahead and leave them on the shelf. Okay, we got another pair of Wrangler jeans. They are $10.99, and I sell a lot of jeans. I love selling jeans. We're just going through and looking at what we can really find. So boom, we're gonna scan these up, and they don't come up. They're gonna be cowboy cut style, and I think I'm just gonna go ahead and buy them. I think they're gonna be, I mean, they're newer tags. They're probably gonna be like 40, 50 bucks. So we're gonna go ahead and pick those up and put them in the cart. Burlington is having some really good clearance. I may have to hit some other stores as well to try to really profit off these clearance sales. I just can't believe they're even clearance in jeans, and it's gonna be jeans weather in like a month, and it's going to be really amazing in sales. You know, jeans are already selling for me on eBay and Amazon. So I'm gonna go home and add all this up. I spent $81.33, and you've seen the fire I pulled from the shelf, and it's better than Goodwill prices almost. So we're gonna make some money today. I gotta go pick up the shelving for the new store we're gonna be putting an offer on. Hopefully getting a building soon. It is a pain in the butt. I'm gonna have to make another video on that because it's gonna be crazy. But stay tuned to the end of this video. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and add up what we're gonna make, and I'm gonna put it at the end of the video. I am so tired. Sorry everyone. So I'm gonna put this video out today. My daughter had a softball game. I'm gonna do the breakdown on how much I made. So I just did a pair of pants right here. They're gonna be $50 in profit on Amazon, and I'm just gonna go through the stuff. All right, so I just added up all the sales, so I would gain, so I spent, it looks like $81.67 yesterday, and the total sales I'm gonna gain is $273.89. Now, half of that is profit after fees and half of it isn't. So this little pile right here is Amazon. That would be everything is, that's probably $100 and some in profit, just these 3 items, and those fees are already out and stuff like that. That's eBay stuff. The fees are not out, so you know, eBay takes about 11% plus shipping. So regardless, it's about $273 in total sales. And I'll probably profit roughly, I would say probably at least $200 after it's said and done. I would say around 200. That's more respectively. But so that's the difference between Amazon and eBay. Some of these sell for higher money on Amazon than they do eBay, and they sell really well. I know shorts are going to be out of season soon, but I'll leave them up on Amazon because you still have people that live in California and Florida that wear those shorts that will order them, and off season they will order them. So I'm fine with that. Yeah, thanks for watching this video. It's gonna be around 200 in profit, and stay tuned for the next one. Thank you.